In this video, we'll be talking about Mooky, which is a brand new meme coin, but it's a meme coin with a very cool objective to help people plant more trees around the world. Guys, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in money. Let's get into today's video. So guys, over to Mooky.io. Currently it's in pre-sale stage 5. Now this is a little bit more complex than many other meme coins out there, so there's a few things that we need to really pay attention to. Now one thing I really like about this particular project, and actually we've seen in the past with Shiba Inu, they do a lot of charity work, and this is no different. Trusted and loved by 100+ communities. National Forest Foundation, primarily Primates, Rainforest Trust, and various other charities that they are supporting with this little token here. Now, I actually quite like the website in general, kind of interactive, very good quality graphics and things like that, which you don't often see on other meme coins, especially early on in their pre-sales and things like that. Now, this basically is a token that can be used on a DAO, and the DAO will then be used to decide the future of the projects, where the money is donated to for various different things, and lots of other things going on within that, whether there be games and things in the future, who knows. Now, as we come down below, you can see it talks about how to buy the Mooky token, and the Mooky meme coin basically is a community voting right within the DAO, as we've already just talked about. And over on the pre-sale portal, it comes and tells you a bit more information about it. So stage 1 already started. It then goes through in great detail how to buy it, how to use MetaMask in order to buy it, and various other things. As you can see, they've already been KYC and certified as well, which is always important to note when you're investing in any new coins. Now, if we come down to the Mooky Ventures Club, this is a very important part of the whole project. The Venture Club is a unique perk for the legendary and super rare NFT holders. Receive airdrops bi-monthly from partner platforms, merchandise, and passive income from our investment portfolio, and you can track it all through a dashboard. That's obviously coming soon, so I recommend following them over on Twitter to enable you to keep up to date with this, and when those are finally launched, you will be able to pick one up and gain from all of the benefits there as well. Now, there's also 1,000 unique 3D NFTs that look like these little monkey characters here, and each NFT is connected to a real life planted tree that can be tracked. If you hold a legendary or super rare, receive entry into the Mooky Ventures Club. I really like that they're linking that to a real world utility. That's a tree obviously, but it's kind of like those sponsor a pet programs that you get people, or buying a portion of the moon or whatever it is. But obviously it's a very good cause to be planting more trees around the world, and this is kind of a nice way to keep track of what you're doing to help the planet. Now, here's the tokenomics of the whole project. It's 500 billion tokens, which on the meme coin stage of things, it's actually pretty small. Pre-sale will be 70% of the tokens, 20% will then go into the listings, 5% into the staking and centralized exchanges, and then 3% for charity and reserves 2%. There's zero tax on buy and sell, which is obviously important and something you should look for, because often buy and sell tax is associated with scam coins. Now you can see we got a tree map here, which is telling us all the things that are going to go on this year, very early on in the project. Okay, so we're probably moving into Q2 2023 right now, with all the kind of pre-sale and things that are going on here. And then we see into Q3, centralized exchange listings, and so much more. There's tons and tons of stuff happening all the time, and that's a very exciting roadmap indeed. In terms of like the media and social media and stuff, they've been featured on tons of different news pages, lots of stuff on Twitter and things like that as well as Discord. So I recommend getting into their communities and giving them a follow. Now, the cool thing about this project is it's still in the very early stages of ICO launch. Now, that can be advantageous because in an early stage, you tend to get discounted prices, which means on launch, you tend to have already made a percentage gain. So for example, if I'm buying at a discount, then I'm obviously going to make my money back as soon as the project launches, but obviously be aware of that. When you have huge step ups in pre-sale value, you want to be careful because people will take profits after launch, but that's to be expected. And the earlier you get in, the more chance you have of being one of the people who can take those profits. So it's a great way to perhaps see some great returns on investment, but obviously you need to do your own research on that. Other features that are very exciting about this project going forward is once pre-sales and things have finished like that, they will be looking to implement games onto the platform. There'll also be opportunities to stake your Mooky coins in order to earn a passive income as well. And as well as that, marketing will start to step up as well. When you get these new projects and they start to get a bit of funding coming through from Presale and things like that, they'll then start to accelerate their growth. So it's well worth keeping an eye on them over on Twitter to see how quickly and rapidly they're growing, and also pay attention to things like YouTube, Instagram to see whether or not they're being shared aggressively across these platforms. It could be a fantastic opportunity because we are in the very early stages for you to hop in and to be able to see some great gains going forward. As I mentioned, everything in this video you need to go and do your own research on. This is, in my opinion, a cool project that's doing something very good for the world. You will be able to buy NFTs, and an NFT will be linked to a real world tree somewhere in the world, which is a great thing because they're supporting various charities that are helping the world to grow more trees and much, much more. Everything I've talked about today, guys, is found down below in the description. If you enjoyed today's video, then do me a favor, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more, and you want to learn more about NFTs, crypto, gaming, and so much more, then hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.